Tonight is our final performance. After 100 years of continuous performing, we're saying goodbye to this old space, this amazing theater that's been the home of so many memories for so many people for so long, and been such a big part of the community here in Beaverton. Tonight we're going to just do a show that's worthy of this space and all those memories. Little Shop just seemed to be the right fit. It's a fun, exciting, goofy show. It highlights everything that's good about what we do best.
It means a lot to me because I have a lot of family who went here. My mom also did theater here with Mr. Erickson. It's cool to be the end of something and the beginning as well. I'm excited to see what the new building has to offer.
Our high school career has just kind of been surrounded by this theater. I use it for choir, for band, and for theater.
I remember coming in here as a freshman and seeing, whoa, it's so big, this is so cool.
It's kind of bittersweet to me because I like to think about just all of the memories that are here. It's really exciting to see all of the new things we'll be able to do with the new building, and also leaving behind new history in that building is also going to be really fun.
I've been in theater since freshman year, and it's been such a big part of my life.
Could I say thank you? Mainly the choir teacher, Miss Hefty, and the drama teacher, Mr. Gary. They care a lot about us, and we care a lot about them, so I wanted to say thank you for giving us a chance to put ourselves out there.
We're ready for the move. I think the move is going to be good. We're heading into a new space that's just amazing, and we're so grateful to the people of Beaverton for helping us have a new space. Our goal is to carry over all the traditions, to carry over all of the memories. All we're doing is changing spaces. For the seniors, this is the end of their 4 years here. We have a tradition where they get to exit through the house to a standing ovation.
I'm probably gonna cry.
Most of the time after a show, the kids go up and around and meet the families in the lobby. But this time they get to go through the house, and that's a pretty special tradition that we're definitely going to keep.